Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Zenless Zone Zero crash at the start of the game. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open the Hoyo Play and click on this 3/ next to start game and select game settings. Select open directory. In here you just need to create a shortcut guys. To do this you just need to copy this file path over here. Just right click on it and copy it. After copying the file path, you just need to right click on the blank area on here and select new and select shortcut. Paste the file path we copied and select browse. In here you just need to select the game Zenless Zone Zero.exe and select OK. And after that you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. Copy using this space. Just to copy it. You just need to paste at the last of the exe right over here. Just space force D3 D12. After pasting this code, you just need to select next. You can rename this anything you want. I'm gonna rename this Triple Z and click on finish to save it. After saving it, launch the game using this shortcut and your problem should be fixed guys. You can drag this to your desktop. Just drag and drop to your desktop and now you can launch the game whenever you want in desktop. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.